Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Evaluating trig functions. Let's start with the right triangle, and in this case, let's start with theta up here in the upper right. That means the leg across the bottom will be the opposite side, the leg that goes top to bottom will be the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse will still be the side across from the right triangle. Let's call the adjacent side 5, the opposite side 12, and the hypotenuse 13. If you need to evaluate the sine of theta, remember, SOHCA TOA, and we can recall that sine relates the opposite and hypotenuse together. So we know this is going to be 12 over 13. Cosine is going to relate the adjacent and hypotenuse sides, so this will be 5 over 13. And tangent will relate the opposite and adjacent sides, so this would be 12 over 5. To find the reciprocal functions, cosecant, secant, and cotangent theta, we can just take our answers from the first three functions and flip them. So our cosecant of theta will be 13 over 12, secant will be 13 over 5, and cotangent of theta will be 5 over 12.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.